consuming content on social media platforms. See, all the platforms Facebook, Instagram, YouTube Reels, Instagram Reels, Spotify, and just number of platforms we have on our mobile phone, and our mind is built in a way that we have to consume something every single minute. Whenever we are free, whenever we have time, we just open the mobile and start watching something, or we just turn on the TV, or we just turn on the laptop and start some movies and anything like that, just because we all human beings are built in that way. But how to just put on good seeds in your mind so that you can get good intentions towards life, good perspective of life. A very good morning to you all. My name is Shubham Best, and I welcome you all to this valuable platform which is named as Happiness Prime. And this is H46 Prime just for you people, so we can learn more about consuming content and how we can limit ourselves but not limit the fun which we are having in our life. See, every single, we all humans, this human psychology, this human mindset is built in a way that at 1 second, only in 1 minute, if you just lose that awareness towards life, then what you will do, you will just pick up your phone and start watching Instagram feeds and the videos and the never ending feeds, and this artificial intelligence and this machine learning is built in a way that it will show you the things which you like to see. Just like I like to see footballs and CSGO videos and some dancing and whatever things I have ever seen in YouTube or Instagram. Those videos are already present in my feed, and you can't just stop the scrolling of that thing, and it's really real. And if you just imagine how much time you're spending on these platforms and what are the adverse effects. Now, why I'm making this video, why we are just here gathering, and why you are watching this, just because we are here to make our day more productive. How we can just make this thing, this consumption, see, we get fun, we get some kind of chemicals inside of our body which is just making us feel different, feel excited, or feel sad, or feel a different feeling which is other than the loneliness. Now, how to just overcome this? Whenever we consume any kind of content on social media, some person is doing the things which he or she is best at, or the 1% or the 0.1% people in the whole world which you are watching, and directly comparing yourself to them. That is what happens every time you touch, click on a video. You start comparing yourself to that particular person who is dancing, who is sketching, who is playing football, who is in the gym, who's doing something which you like to do. That is the artificial, that is the main purpose of AIs and machine learning. That is the thing which you like to do, and you're watching a person doing it and millions of people are watching it. Now you start feeling insecure, now you start feeling sad, now you start feeling like, why am I not able to do those things? Why I'm so good in that particular thing, but still I can't do that kind of things, and that makes you sad. That makes you more lonely. That makes you more sad towards life, depressed towards life. Then all the negative opinions, negative things, and all those situations. This mindset gets ugly. And how we can stop this? We have to believe in this particular statement that the kind of seeds we are going to put in our soil, in our mindset, is the kind of ideas or perspective or intentions we are going to build inside ourselves towards the life of in a whole 24 hours day. So you have to limit the amount of consumption of these social media platforms and the rest of the things which is not providing you the values. I'm not telling you to just learn and learn and learn every single minute. As if you can, then that is perfect, because I'm also even trying to do that. I can't do it. I even watch the social media, but I am just trying to limit myself as much as I can. I have to upload it sometimes. I have to see, I have to write a blog, I need to make a YouTube video, I need to call, I need to make software documents, I need to do a technical call, I need to make new sales calls, I need to help more and more people buy softwares, start companies in India, make legal documents, and everything else. We have to just limit our time. If I'm just completely 3 hours making a software document and now I'm so much bored, then I need 2 minutes, maximum 2 to 3 minutes, just to take a walk and watch a Ronaldo video, and just hear a good song, and 3 minutes, 4 minutes, that's it. That's done. Now we have just, our mind is just diverted. Now we can come back towards to the work and then start a sales call. So our mind gets this one feeling that okay, I'm not pressurizing myself. I'm not constantly working. I just had a break. I just had something to eat. I just listened to the favorite song. That's it. So now the mind is diverted, and now this is known as putting good seeds in your mind. So just yet the kind of things which is going on in your mindset is helping you to work more, to be more productive, to learn the things which you like to do. Until and unless you start comparing yourself to the others, to the people who are there in the Instagram, to the people who are there in the social media, your life will become so much blessed and grateful, and you'll feel so much good and happy in your day-to-day life every single day. Like this much energy right now just because I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I came office to the 7 o'clock in the morning. Then I wrote the blog in Networker Unite. Then I wrote the blog in Stock Money. Then I wrote the blog in MLM India. Then I wrote another blog in MLM India. Then we prepared a YouTube video. I'm now shooting for the YouTube video. I made a software document. Then I made another software document. Then we take when we took a few sales calls. Then we had Maggie. That's it. Like this is the whole thing which is planned out inside my mind. If I watch Instagram feed right now, if I watch a YouTube video right now, all the things, these positive things which I did during the entire day, this is going to be completely flushed out because I'm going to be get covered in the negativity that I play so much good football, but there I'm watching somebody else dancing in a video after securing a goal. So I can be in that particular situation, but I'm right now not in that situation. I'm right now in the office working day hard every single day, in Sundays and Saturdays when everyone else is enjoying their life. I'm here working. So that thing will convert your day into a bad day. That thing can put negativities in your mind, and that can make you sad and just unhappy towards life, which I don't want. That is the only reason why I'm just telling you to just consume good amount of content, but of the things which you love the most and which is teaching you something, some of the values, some things which you don't know, some things which you always want to know, just like AIs and VR, ARs, and you can say AIs, and you can say stock market, and you can say cryptocurrencies, and MLM, and business, and anything, like something to learn, something to know more. And you can listen songs, you can always watch videos, you can always consume the content, but limit the time period. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 10 minutes, maximum 15 minutes. That's it, done. And then I'm going to remind all the blessings which I have in my mind, all the work which I did. I can't see nobody in the office when I'm working so hard on Sunday. So yes, I'm blessed. Yes, I'm so much grateful towards the life every single minute. And yes, I have so many dreams that I'm going to take each and every one to the world tour without even worrying about the money which I have in my bank account. So yes, I'm so much blessed. I don't care about the 15-minute content which I just consumed in the social media platform. So yes, I'm so much blessed. So just limit yourself, limit the amount, the concentration of the consumption of the content which you are intaking, which you are filling up in your mind, and always be aware. Never lose awareness while watching the social media content. Please limit yourself. Never limit the fun, but always be aware while watching these things, and never connect your life towards to these videos, to the ex, to the girlfriends, to the boyfriends, to the movies, to the football, to the TikTok videos, to the crazy songs, to the cats, to the dogs, to the lifestyle, to the rich lifestyle of people. So never ever directly compare to your lifestyle. Think what you did today. Think how much hard work you are putting in. Think how much proud your parents are from you. Think how much studies you did. Think how much time you are spending yourself to build. Think how much books you have read. Think how much hustle you are doing every single day. Always have these blessings in the front section so you can always be happy just in a moment, and anytime you want, anywhere you want. So always be aware. Stop consuming content just loosely, and always keep learning. Thank you, and keep learning. Stay happy, and I can say that you just so much hustling for your hard work that I am really happy that you are watching this video and you watched this complete video. That I'm really proud of you. Thank you. Thank you so much.